Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for all things metal roofing. I'm your host Audrey. Today we're in Wilmington and we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Mr. David. How are you doing today?
Oh, fine, just fine.
Awesome, we're excited to be here to talk to you about your Gator Metal Roof. So Mr. David, tell us a little bit about your Gator Metal Roof.
Oh, we enjoyed it much quieter and warmer, and we enjoyed it very much.
Awesome. So you've had your Gator Metal Roof since last September, so about a year now.
Yes, and we enjoyed it.
Awesome. We've had intense storms, some hurricanes, and intense heat. Have you noticed any leaks or anything like that with your Gator Metal Roof?
No leaks at all.
So your Gator Metal Roof has held up.
I held up fine, just fine.
What about your energy bills? Have they been lower?
They drop a little.
That's good.
Mhm.
Awesome, because we have that 40% energy savings pledge that with our metal roof, you'll save 40% on your energy bill. What did you think when you picked up the phone to give us a call to schedule your free estimate?
Well, really, my wife, she scattered, so she was looking at it on TV.
Yeah.
Decided we'll try the metal roof. And so we tried it, and we enjoyed it.
So what did you have before a metal roof?
It was a tin roof.
And did you have any issues with your tin roof?
Yes, so it's leak.
It was leaking. How long did you have your previous roof?
Probably was on there since the house was built.
Yeah. So it was quite a while.
Yeah.
And what made you want it to switch from a tin roof to a metal roof?
I always liked the tin roof. The rain sounds better, but it's real quiet. You know, it's real nice and quiet. It's comfortable. Yeah. I think they last a little longer than the shingles built.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, they last longer than shingles.
Okay, sounds good. And so you chose a matte black Gator Metal Roof. What made you choose that color?
The match to white of my house, bring it out the color better.
Yes, it definitely does. It matches it very well.
Yeah.
So, Mr. David, when the Gator Metal Roof representative came to your home to tell you all about a metal roof and to show you what your options were, what did you think?
He did very good. He brought us pictures and the stuff to show what we know material it made out and stuff. I enjoyed it.
Did you get any other estimates?
No,
You felt like you got a good deal with
I
Gator.
felt like I got a good deal.
All right. Did you get financing with Gator?
Yes, they finance. Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel like it's a good, easy monthly payment?
Yes, it is.
Awesome.
It is because easy.
And so when the crew came out to install your property, how did everything go? Was it smooth? How long did it take?
It was real smooth. It take about a week or more.
Okay. And how did they clean up whenever they were leaving?
Clean up nicely.
Awesome.
Nicely. They got pick up all the screws, really.
Awesome. So how would you rate, if you, on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, what would you rate your experience with Gator Metal Roofing?
I said 5.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.